Hey guys, Andrew the Realtor here with Century 21 Leading Edge, and I can't wait to show you guys my newest listing, 10 Mullard Avenue in the Lakeside area of Ajax. Now, the Lakeside area, if you don't know, is one of the most highly sought after areas in all of Ajax, really Durham. It's very close to the lake. The whole area is basically surrounded by nature. It's what it's referred to as a new urbanist kind of style, some traditional design, a lot of footpaths, a lot of parks. Basically, it's a beautiful area for a family. Now, this home specifically is anything but a cookie cutter kind of subdivision home. With over several $100,000 worth of renovations, this home is the nicest to come on the market in this area in a very long time. Honestly, too many features to mention here, so why don't you guys go in and I'll catch you inside. So first few steps into the home, you notice why it's so unique and the most unique to come on the market in the area in quite some time. You have vaulted ceilings here, highlighted by this massive 12-foot custom Napoleon fireplace and a 36-inch Carlisle chandelier. And if that's not all, walk through the dining room and you see this amazing custom kitchen designed by Dizeh Group. This has been completely designed by Dizeh Group. Tiles are porcelain imported from Spain. The doorknobs and the hardware are imported, flown in from Turkey. Neo coffee machine with its own water source, custom lights, a double convection oven, and the biggest fridge KitchenAid makes. Oh, and the adjacent family room, as you will see, absolutely gorgeous, straight out of a magazine. You gotta check out the envy of the street, the custom garage. Finished by Infinity Garage Solutions, this garage has custom weather-resistant floors, custom cabinets, slat walls for storage, and of course, more than enough room for 2 full-size cars. Upstairs, you'll find 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. 3 bedrooms are large, with plenty of light and even a Sqft quality balcony for one of the rooms. The large fan in the hallway actually helps even out the temperature in the house. The 4th bedroom, the master bedroom, is enormous. High-end copper ceilings, champagne metallic paint, even a walk-in closet that is big enough to be a dressing room. The ensuite boasts an extra-large shower, custom tub, double sinks, and as you can see, amazing custom lights. And now the basement has been fully finished to the nines. There's a gym room with a custom stone wall, special flooring, and even the walls have been painted by a local graffiti artist. And of course, the piece de resistance is a theater room. 106-inch screen, 4K projector, custom stone wall, high-grade commercial laminate flooring, wine fridge, and even custom cabinets. In fact, there's even a large adjacent bedroom. So you have a bedroom in the basement along with everything else. And finally, we end up in the backyard, the peaceful, tranquil, serene backyard. New deck, a glass rail, and of course, a glass of wine when the time is right. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Andrew the Realtor, my information is at the bottom. Stay tuned for more great listings like this. Contact me for more information.